So your Samsung dryer isn't heating, and you don't want to take apart the entire thing just to check if it's the heating coil? I'm going to show you how to easily check by only removing the front cover. Disconnect the power first. If you look down here, we have enough room to reach in and test all the three components without taking the drum and everything out. You might need a stubby or angled screwdriver to remove the thermostat, or thermal cutoff if yours is blown. Some pliers to help get the wires off. I highly recommend having one of your leads being an alligator clip for ease. Only a handful of screws needed to get this far. It's very simple. You need to disconnect one wire from each component for testing. Starting at the front with the heating coil. Clip one lead to one side of the coil's connection. Set your meter to ohms. Then touch the other lead to the other connection. The meter will show either 000 or number. Mine's showing about 10 kiloohms. That's good. My coil doesn't need replacing. If your meter doesn't change or shows OL, your coil is broken. Unfortunately, you will need to take more apart to access it. Moving on to the middle thermostat. It's a little awkward. Mine's showing 000, full continuity. That's okay. Finally, the furthest back is the thermal cutoff. Repeat the same thing. I already removed mine because it seems to be the problem. As you see when I test between the connectors, nothing's happening. It's not letting electricity flow through, essentially telling the dryer, I'm too hot already, so don't turn the heat on. If one of those are your problem, just remove the two screws holding them on and pick up a replacement from Amazon. And just like that, mine has arrived. Let's test it out. We have continuity. Now you can watch me struggle to get the first screw back in. Second screw. Tighten it all up.
What are you doing? Coming to help? Hi. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. I'm trying to be famous.
Plug all the wires back in. Vacuum out all the dust. Clean everything up. Now's the best time to clean the back off. May as well open this up and clean inside while we're here. Don't forget to vacuum here. Top back on, and hopefully she's good to go. Hope this helped, saved you some time. Like and subscribe, and maybe I'll make more videos.